Continuous integrated laser cleaning machine, 360 degrees no dead angle removal of oil, rust, paint, etc. Integrated design for easy mobility. Hinge top cover protects cable and cleaning head. Preloaded process libraries for one-click switching. 3000 watts laser achieves a cleaning width of up to 400 millimeters. Double efficiency. Continuous operation without lens burning. No damage to the substrate. No consumables. And no secondary pollution. Simple and easy to operate. Built-in IoT system enables mobile phone remote control. Online diagnostics supported by our technical team. Upgraded antifreeze technology protects the laser from failure even at -10 degrees Celsius. Core components from leading brands ensure reliable quality. Past 12 rigorous quality and safety tests. Safe, durable, and widely applicable across industries.